Hey, our books have arrived.
You want me to open it?
What are you doing?
Yeah, I'm gonna open up the box.
That's not a knife.
What? Don't you think that's a little overboard?
Hey.
Wow, these look nice.
Looks all right.
Nice and shiny.
It's our newest book, Adventures in Country Living and Sustainability, Book 1, Our Homesteading Journey.
All about living on the farm.
Some of the adventures we had along the way. There's some advice in here, some tips and tricks. Some full color pictures in here as well.
It's not a boring book at all.
No, it's got a lot of pictures.
But you can read the book too.
It's got words too, great ones. This is our first book in this series. It covers how we moved to the countryside. We lived on a farm. We got into homesteading, had our own business, our trials and errors and different things that we did along the way, the ups and downs, the things we learned. Our second book we plan to release later this year, Our Handmade Home, all about how we built our own house with our own hands, with help from friends and family.
I liked it because it was like a trip down memory lane, seeing all the things that we went through and how far we've come.
Check it out, get your own copy, follow the links in the description below.